Oh, I want video. Just.
The next 48 hours, I'll be creating the most realistic GTA 6 concept.
Get you put on.
All with one goal, and that is to see if I can trick the entire internet with it. So when I'm done making my game, I'm gonna try it on my PS5 and see if it really works. And by the end of this video, I'll be posting my concept online to see if I can really trick the internet with it. I will be splitting all the things that I need to make in 5 stages, starting with stage 1, the PS5 cover case. And the 84 hours will start now. So stage 1 is making the GTA 6 cover case and this. I need to make something authentic and simple. So Rockstar hasn't really announced the file size yet, but we know that this game will be huge. Doing my research to find out how big the game will actually be. 150 gigabytes. Yeah, I will have to delete all my games for this. And this also means that we need to make 2 discs. I still remember when I was a kid playing GTA 5 for the first time, even though I wasn't allowed to play. I'm going to use audio 2 of my example. The reason why we need to make 2 GTA discs, for example, like Red Dead Redemption 2, mainly because one is an installation disc and one is a game disc. I want to make this as realistic as possible, so I put every needed thing on the disc. You can pause the video to see the listed things I put on the disc. And after 1 hour of grinding, I'm pretty happy with the result.
Maybe.
So if we compare every GTA cover art, Rockstar are really known for their famous college artwork. Well, these are actually called grid style key art. And I think Rockstar are gonna do something different this time by using the cover art of trailer 1 and 2. And if we open every cover case, there's always like a huge map with some extra decorations in it. So if I want to make this realistic as possible, I will be proceeding making the same thing. Oh yeah, if you scan here, this will automatically bring you to the Rockstar page. So I find it very cool. So I will be just using the 2 GTA trailer covers. And with that, the cover cases are done. Oh yeah, I also made one for the PSP. Well, I mean, that's kind of cool, I think. I made a whole separate video of this, so I recommend you to watch it if you want. Yeah, this took me 9 hours in total to make, so it's finally time to move to the next stage, which is stage 2, one of my favorites to make, the PS5 user interface. Okay, so making the PlayStation 5 user interface isn't really easy thing, because I need to make this as realistic as possible. I'll start designing the PS5 login icons. And let's assume we are using a Rockstar account. It looks more real, I don't know. And yeah, after that I need to animate the login startup transition. This is a screen recorded version that I took from the PS5, and this is my animation version. Yeah, this looks very fake. If I want to trick the entire internet, then I need to make sure that animation is better. I need to animate the horizontal game bar that slides in from right to left much more smoother. This is my final version, and I tried making the animation better to make it more realistic, so hopefully this looks more real. But wait, what if I actually tell you that this footage here isn't real itself? Yeah, if I trick you into thinking that this is real, then I can definitely trick the internet with GTA 6. All I need to do is change the background to GTA 6 to complete my PS5 user interface. Guys, it's literally 4 a.m. in the morning. I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys. I still have stage 3, 4, and 5 to make, and with only 18 hours left, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna sleep now, so I'll see you in the morning. So. Okay, stage 3, the GTA 6 loading screen. So we need to make 2D illustrations of main characters. And every few seconds, it switches to another main character. This is called a character splash screen. The loading screen needs to have like a Vice City vibe. So I did my research through the official Rockstar page, and we can kind of know that these characters here will most likely be at the loading screen. So I took these characters and made an animation to see how the loading screen potentially could look like. Yeah, not bad, but I'm a game designer, so I'm gonna create my own characters. So I designed and animated a few characters from scratch, for example, from trailer 1, like this guy in the highway, but most importantly, I need to make it authentic.
I'm just fixing some leaks.
Look who's back.
Seriously, dude, you got some time on your hands. I got some properties with pay and
The only way is by sticking together. Trust?
Trust.
Ooh, I'm telling you, you need to watch till the end to see the final results. Because honestly, I think I'm... Okay, the GTA 6 map. Honestly, this might be the most detailed thing I need to make. This includes making 3 kinds of maps. One thing that we know is that this map will be twice the size of the GTA 5 map. So technically, we don't know exactly what will be in the map. And actually, I can use this in my advantage. So I took my concept and put it on a GTA trailer to see how it could look like. And this was the result. So I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with this.
What's up, fool? What's up is we nothing but errand boys from Frost, dog.
So, by watching both GTA 6 trailers, we can definitely say that social media will be a big part in GTA 6. This might actually be one of the coolest concepts I can make. If we compare the GTA 5 social media, there wasn't really much to do besides calling and texting. So, I will be designing a whole smartphone concept based around this time. But I need to be creative in making these apps. For example, I cannot take Instagram and name it Instagram. This will reduce the copyright. So, I need to come up with new logos and names. Instagram will be Rockstagram. Yeah, not bad. So making this Rockstagram concept was actually pretty cool. YouTube will be ViceTube. Imagine being able to watch YouTube on GTA 6. What's up? Vibes up. Yeah, for this concept, just very basic and simple. So for the internet browser, I'm gonna name it Browser. Why? Because this name in reverse is actually browser. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a genius or a complete idiot. So now for the gallery concept. I wanted to make this concept because, I don't know, but then unfortunately I realized something. And that is that I only had a few seconds left to complete my challenge. You see, I was that focused in making my concept as perfect as possible, but only for me to realize that I didn't have time anymore to complete my concept. So with no more spare time, I need to test my gameplay on the PS5 and see if it really works. I've tested many games designs on my PS5 and most of them really work. Even though this concept isn't ready to test, but if I want to trick the internet, I gotta make sure that this really works. And unfortunately, as I expected, it didn't work. You see, my PS5 doesn't recognize my concept, and after so many attempts, it still didn't work, which is why I accepted my fate. So I will be testing this for the very last time, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, at least I enjoyed making this concept.
So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test with 9 dots, and you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it is to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams.
So in the end, did I really trick the internet with GTA 6?
Someone is literally playing GTA 6 right now. It's been going viral all over X.
As a developer, you can see she's playing the Grand Theft Auto 6 closed test.
New play test for GTA 6. This is absolutely insane.
Diesen Herbst wird es soweit sein.
Is this real? I don't know, but this shit's crazy.
GTA 6 vient d'être annulé sur PlayStation 5. Des millions de joueurs perdent leur précommande.
Just go get me my checks.
People thought that that video was fake. This is a real playtester who has access to Grand Theft Auto 6.
That wasn't bad, honestly.
watching.
What do they all mean? USDA Organic, the only label backed for the United States with only eco-friendly pest control and no GMOs. It sometimes costs a little more
Also skip
because it's guaranteed.
How is it possible that one of the biggest streamers on the planet could ruin an entire multi-million-dollar video?
Post that on my channel. Oh my God. That's my video now.
That's gonna lead in pretty well to this next segment.
You're about to find out how opening up your place to a friend
Studio, we're live.
can actually blow up in your face.
Why we have to be more specific with rules.
And that one simple mistake can set off a chain reaction of chaos through an entire production. This video almost never made it to YouTube. But here's how we pulled it off.
Take off your blindfolds. I trapped these 100 contestants. You guys have them till those swings crush you can escape. But you're a little bit good fun.
It is game time.
Slow circle steps, okay? So on the line. Keep your blindfolds on till we tell you otherwise.
It's difficult to illustrate just how much brain power goes into each one of these videos.
Yeah, see something crazy?
Pulling excluded.
How's it going, everybody? You guys are too kind. Sorry about the whole handcuffing you thing. That makes sense.
We're gonna do a practice intro.
One mishap on a video this big can have consequences that affect the entire production. Unfortunately, a few days before the shoot, I made a little mistake while showing my friend Speed around the studio.
These are the sets for upcoming videos. I'll be honest, I think these are prototypes, not the final ones.
I actually shot this on a speed stream. I didn't realize I wasn't supposed to. I should have thought that through a little